Welcome to this new video. Now that you learn how to create accounts on cPanel, we're going to check some of the advanced feature on cPanel. So as we said, it will be your domain name followed by /cPanel, where you would log into your cPanel. Now, for those of you watching this video and don't know what is cPanel, you need to watch our previous video where we have demonstrated a little bit about cPanel. So here I am going to log in to my cPanel, putting my password. You can see I'm successfully logged in. And we will directly go to the mail section as we want to do some advanced functionalities. So again, we can either click on email accounts, or we do have the search functionality. If I type email, it will filter that out for us. We'll click on email account, and this will open section for us. Again, all of you may not have access to your cPanel. It would be only specific people within your organization, or mostly it is the task of IT department who will have access to the cPanel. Now, in your case, being a small business, you will have access as a CEO or owner or even operation or whatever position that you have, that you will have access to this account. So let's say we have created a couple of accounts. This is the account that we created. You can see we can check emails from here. Can go. That's why I said it will be restricted so people can check emails from here. Manage and connect devices. Now on connect devices, it will give you option. It will go to the next page and it will load the information that how the mail client malware configuration will work. Even you can send that instruction to your Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, or any other accounts that you have, or you can mail it to somebody within your company. So here it will show you how to configure IMAP in Windows and Outlook and Mac and iPhones. Everything is mentioned right there. All the configurations are there. Some are auto and some are manual configuration. We will go back so you can test out that. And for some of them, for instance, the POP3 or IMAP configuration, I do have videos. Check the channel of Techieideaz. There are some other videos that we have specifically created on how to configure IMAP and how to configure POP3 on Outlook or on your Windows Mail clients. So going back to the accounts sections, that was the connect devices. And check mail will of course go to the webmail, that we do have another video for how to check webmail. The focus of this video is mainly on management. So the purpose of this video is to mainly focus on the management aspect of it. So let's say this is one of the email. I want to, now that I know how to check email, connect devices. So let's say I know these two options, pretend. Let's see what this advanced feature or manage part is doing for us. As soon as I click on that, you can see from here what I want. You can free up mail storage, manage email filters, send automatic responses. So if you as an IT department, you want to do these things for your users, you can definitely do it. Again, this is not a user access. That's a privileged account access. So if your company has rules to do it, maybe you want to clean up every 6 months, you can do that. Maybe you want to manage filters, or maybe you want to set up autoresponder. You can do all these things right there. Uh, the other purpose is this user has reached out to you that his password is not working, so you need to give them a new password. You can do it from that manage part. You click here and you come here, and then here you generate a new password anytime. So I can hide the password, and you see, since it's a generator, it's not auto hide. It does ask me so that I can copy this password. So you see there are different password generated that you could use. Let's say we select this password and we want to change it. From here, you can always change the storage. Let's say this user has consumed all the 250 MB. You want to increase that to 500 MB. You can definitely do that. Here, as you can see, most of them are self-explanatory, but I will go through it. Receive incoming emails. So you can say, well, this user don't have to receive emails, but can send and can log in. And in another case, I will say, well, this user cannot log in, but his email, well, his incoming email, like he should receive email. You can suspend his sending capability as well. So let's say in this case, he can log in and receive emails, but cannot send, or you can hold on as well. So that's different options that you can play. I will leave it to default. Once you are done with these settings that you could do, you can simply click update setting. That I would do. Let's generate a new password, and I would say update mail setting. So all these setting has been updated. I will go back to the manage, and now this time I don't want to go back to that page because I want to save setting one by one, and I make changes, let's say in the password, and then I would say stay on this page after I click update email setting. So it will update the setting, but it will stay on the same page. And you can see here the notification is that it successfully made all the changes. You can also see connect devices configuration here and configure calendar and contacts right there. So that information is there as well. Last option is, let's say this person has left your department. Regardless of whatever restriction rules you have, you did apply restriction rules, will respect whatever options your organization has. Last option will be, let's say you did suspended that account, incoming, outgoing, and login. Now the time is that you say, we don't need this account anymore. So simply you will click on delete email account. And as soon as you click on delete, I'm gonna do that. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete, right? Let's say you're about to delete, all the data will be permanently gone. I will still say, yes, I won't do it. As I said, this is an account that I use. So simply, I will cancel it. But in your case, you can definitely delete that. Now, this was the video on how to do some advanced functions on the email accounts that's part of my cPanel. Going back to the home page of the cPanel, as we mentioned on the cPanel video, cPanel is huge. It has tons of options and programs, but for us, the important one that we use was the email functionality. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day ahead.